What's up guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles, and Xiaomi's Mi Mix series of smartphones is credited with bringing the bezel-less trend to the mainstream, and the latest from the brand is the Mix 2S. So I'm going to quickly take you through an unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. It was recently launched in China, and then run you through a quick hands-on as well. The Mi Mix 2S comes in a black box, and inside you'll find the phone. This is the white variant. I have a black one as well, and show that to you very shortly. A USB Type-C cable, a 2-pin wall charger with quick charge support, and just like last time, Xiaomi also includes a case in the box as well. Very handy. So that was a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. The Mix 2S, very gorgeous looking device, hardly any bezels. It follows the same design ethos as the Mi Mix 2 from last year. Very similar design. The key highlight, of course, this time is the fact that the new phone comes with dual cameras, but overall the design hasn't changed much. A similar looking ceramic body, metal frame on the sides, USB Type-C, no headphone socket, again similar to last time. Volume rocker, power key on the right, SIM tray on the left, and at the back you can notice the vertically stacked dual cameras. These are both 12 megapixel sensors with the flash in between. The fingerprint scanner is placed in the middle. Hardly any bezels to speak of on the front. A tiny slit that works as the earpiece on top. 5 megapixel front camera is placed on the bottom chin. Again, very similar to the Mi Mix 2 from last year. So as far as the core specs are concerned, the Mi Mix 2S is a very loaded smartphone. Comes powered by the new Snapdragon 845, which is mated to up to 8 gigs of RAM. This particular variant is the 8 gig RAM version, comes with a whopping 256 GB of storage. This phone is also available in two other variants, both of which offer 6 GB RAM but differ in the storage capacities. So you get one with 6 GB RAM mated to 64 GB storage, and another one with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. 3400 mAh battery, same as last time, but this time you get wireless charging support as well. 5.99-inch FHD Plus display, 18:9 ratio. Very gorgeous looking device, comes clad in ceramic, feels really premium and really nice in the hands. Now, face unlock feature has been incorporated apart from the fingerprint sensor at the back. The dual cameras on the rear both feature 12 megapixel sensors in the wide angle and telephoto configuration, so you can basically get lossless zoom up to 2x. A lot of AI features have been added to the cameras, so the phone can automatically recognize different scenes and adjust the camera settings automatically. You will see that the camera app has an AI mode on top which can be activated for automatic scene recognition. This device also offers customizable bokeh, though that particular feature currently is not active on this demo unit as of now. The phone runs MIUI 9.5 and Android Oreo on a Xiaomi phone for the first time. So pretty loaded overall, very smooth, looks gorgeous, and hopefully it should be making its way to India very soon. So that, guys, was a quick look at Xiaomi's new Mi Mix 2S. Thanks for watching.